So let's say we have 4 months left before August, and Toronto Consulate is taking like 2 months to process E2s. That means we're going to have to file the application like by June. And from now until June, we got literally just 2 months left. And typically these are things that needs to be done. So obviously we're eliminated from considering any kind of business that's complex and requires lots of setup and lots of negotiations. So no complex lease negotiations, no complex business licenses, no complex business brick and mortar store setup and construction, architecture, and permit. We're limited to what can be accomplished in 2 months. And that entails the easy stuff like company formation and bank account opening, source of fund gathering, and then buying the business and setting up. So it's possible in the 2 months time frame, if you're like buying a very simple service franchise business and you create your entity, that could be done very quickly in a couple of weeks. A bank account opening, if stars align, it could be done that quickly. California, for example, has an expedited entity processing option where you pay this extra fee and they can get it to you in 1 day or 2 days. And then you can get an EIN, assuming you can have a U.S. person as a partner, use a U.S. person's Social Security, and you can get the EIN in a few days, right? And then immediately you'll be able to open the bank account. So within a week, you can create the entity, get the EIN, open the business bank account. And during that week, you would solidify the source of fund documents. And at the end of the week, when the business account is open, you deposit the investment capital business account. And simultaneously, you identify a franchise business or already has identified a franchise, simple business model that you're going to buy, sign the agreement immediately. And then immediately transfer that franchise fee from your business account and get a small office and get your simple business license. City business license could take a couple of weeks. So if it's like the right business model and everything goes smoothly, it's possible for you to get a very simple business set up and ready to apply for the E2 visa within 2 months. Now, is it going to happen? Well, in my years of experience, it's pretty challenging because there are delays that are beyond our control, such as a franchisor or company registration or EIN or account opening or source of fund complications, or delays with the local city business license, unforeseen. But if the stars align, it's possible. But we have no time to waste. Like every day that we lose, it diminishes our chances of being able to get this done and before your kids start school for the next school term.